Welcome. In front of me is an Alcatel U5 HD, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. Now to get started, you want to find your hotspot toggle somewhere in your notification panel. So for me it looks like it's right over here on the second page. Once you find it, you can hold it and this will take you to the settings where you can actually customize it. So select tethering and mobile hotspot right here. Again, mobile hotspot, and from here we have access to settings. So setup, and number one, we can change the password that is already set, because as you can see it's just some kind of random trash. So let's remove this one and set our own. Now it does need to have 8 characters in length. There we go. At which point you will be able to save. Now also below that we have maximum connections, so this will define how many people can connect to your hotspot at the same time. Now 8 seems to be a little bit too much in my opinion, so I'm just gonna drop it to something like 2, which seems more reasonable. And then going back up, lastly we have the Alcatel U5 HD, as you can see right over here. This is simply the name of the hotspot, which means that if you're looking for a Wi-Fi network in the list, you will be looking for the network name of Alcatel U5 HD, unless you change this. So from here let's save, and that's about it. Once it's saved, you can enable it either from here by tapping on a toggle, or by finding it in notification panel and simply tapping on a toggle from over here. Now I believe I won't be able to enable it. No, it actually looks like I can, even though I don't have a SIM card. So as you can see right now it's enabled. It also at the bottom gives you a notification of how many people are connected, how many are blocked, and yeah, so that's basically it. Now once you're done with the hotspot, make sure you turn it off, otherwise it will be using your battery for no reason. And also hotspot does use Wi-Fi to distribute the signal, so you won't have access to Wi-Fi at that time when your hotspot is on. So simply tap on the toggle once more to turn it off. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.